It also goes along to speak about the different caps that is causing the issues within the Island Council and the government commissioners to have tension. And we discuss this all the time. The government commissioner has many caps, and especially when it comes to the Island Council, there's where the tension rises. Because you sit as a commissioner, and then you sit as the chairman of the Island Council. The governor in the Island Council has to maintain the meeting in orderly fashion and also have an unbiased role, whereas a commissioner needs to defend their policies. So when you're switching caps and then you're defending your policy, for instance, give an example, and then a council member questions something, and then you feel that maybe they're out of line, and maybe they can be, maybe they're not, then you come back and say, you know what, as governor, you're out of line, stay in line. Then I'm feeling like you give me a personal attack. And based on the mediators, no matter who sits in that role as government commissioner, it creates the tension between the governor commissioners and the Island Council because of this back and forth juggling. To go further on, the government commissioner also holds the cap of, like I said, the governor, also the cap of the kingdom representative, which also is not functioning at the moment based on this law. So if there is something wrong, and that's why I keep on questioning and asking in the Dutch representatives in The Hague, in the parliament, really look at this law and see if it makes sense. It does not make sense on any angle. Because if the government commissioner makes a decision based on the checks and balances in a normal functioning democratic situation, if it's incorrect, the governor sends this decision up to the kingdom representative, and he reviews it and annuls it and said, well, you violated Article 125, example, therefore this decision cannot be carried out. But in this setting, the government commissioner is the one who nullifies that. Then how can you make a decision and then as well correct your own self? It's like a judge, jury, you're everybody. And that does not lead to good governance.